Hello and good afternoon. First, we would like to thank InstaBook for giving our company the opportunity to present our proposal for a new website. Our company, Team Innovation, was founded in January of 2013. Team Innovation consists of 5 core members: Kathy Dare in the role of Project Manager and Communication Manager, Stephanie King in the role of Interaction Designer, Michelle Victor in the role of Development Team Lead, and Michael Robinson in the role of Development Team Assistant, and William Underhill in the role of Subject Matter Expert. Our team of professionals will provide InstaBook with an innovative website which will enhance InstaBook's business. Harold Kern is the founder and CEO of InstaBook. He started the company in 1992. The company has always been small, with just 15 employees. He was also a former industrial trainer and seen that trainers were needed. What Harold and the InstaBook company wanted to do is have trainers and educators that are able to deliver products and books to students. The InstaBooks are very customizable. With technology being the way of communication of today, we wanted to do something better, faster, and cheaper, and also legal. This is also a safer route to go than current ad doc method we see today. Our company has a great mission statement as and is in an action that we live up to day in and day out. Our mission is to deliver hard copy educational and training information to customers in a just-in-time manner. Overall, the goal that Harold Kern and InstaBook Company set up is to make sure that materials are there whenever needed for our customers. With both our mission statement and goals, we are committed to providing the best for our customers. We as a company want to make sure our customers feel good about our product at the end of the day. With technology changing every day, our goals have certainly changed since 1992. We have looked into expanding our company into the educational markets. With education being an important part of everyone's lives, we see that the education realm as a good market to work with. As of right now, we only support it and committed to corporate markets that we work with. As a company, we needed to make sure that we stay connected with the latest and greatest and not be far behind in times. Our books and products will be able to provide a wide range of information and also a greater variety in both the markets we are working with. InstaBook produces customized training material for corporate trainers. When a customer decides to purchase materials from InstaBook, they must purchase or lease a binding machine to bind the materials into a training manual or book. Although this has been a successful business practice thus far, we are aware that Megatex wants a new InstaBook website to enhance the customer's experience, product awareness, and increase revenue. We will design a new website that will enhance the customer's experience, increase revenue, and increase product awareness. A third-party vendor will be contracted for the binding of the books. Although the vendor will add an expense to InstaBook, InstaBook can pass this expense to the customers by charging more for the finished product and not charging for the binding machine and DVDs. Team Innovation will use the web to facilitate customer support and payment transactions. We will use Google, Bing, and Yahoo to advertise the new InstaBook website and products. The timeline we have proposed is aggressive. Although the timeline is aggressive, all points of the website development will be done thoroughly and accurately. The reason for the aggressive timeline is to make sure InstaBooks holds on to its market share, along with providing the customer with a more enjoyable experience. Currently, InstaBook is primarily used by corporate trainers and somewhat by educators. We will use internet marketing to branch out to potential customers. Educators will be the primary new target audience. With the new website, they will be able to share educational materials with their students. We also believe InstaBook's products will provide an excellent study guide for college and high school students. Currently, the primary customer of InstaBooks are corporations who utilize the ability to design their own book by using pieces from many different forms of text to design training manuals. Harold Kern has also told us that he sees the recent buyout by Megatex as an opportunity to market into the education industry. Since many of our closest customers have disabilities, as James Monroe has told us, we will ensure that the website is Section 508 compliant so that we will have the same experience as everyone else. So they will have the same experience as everyone else. From the survey that was provided to us, we found that the primary operating system used by customers is Windows, with 90% of the customers using it. This is followed by 7% of customers having Apple computers and 3% using Linux. Even though a majority of the customers use Windows, we have taken the time to ensure this site will run the same on all machines. We strongly feel that all users should have the same experience. Additionally, the survey showed us that a majority of users have a high-speed connection to the internet, whether it be broadband or wireless, although 5% of users still have dial-up connections. We kept this in consideration when designing the site and have ensured that the connection speed will not affect the usability of the site. We also took the time to make sure that no matter what browser is used, the site will remain the same. We have implemented a plan to stay up to date with technology customers are using to access the website, so that usability will stay the same on all platforms. There are many different programs that can be installed behind the scenes of the website to enhance the user's machine. They can tell us what type of browser is being used, what operating system is being used, their screen size, and what type of plugins their machine uses. This is important so that the website can stay up to date with technology your customers are using. This will help us guarantee that the user experience stays the same for all customers regardless of how they access the website. InstaBook is a commercial business entity whose clients are educators and corporate trainers. With that being said, we can assume that all have the tech savvy to navigate a high-end web design. In attempting to make this design as accessible to as many people as possible, we will strive for a simplistic yet effective design with sharp, clean lines and clear, concise content. The user will find an easy navigation experience with left column and top breadcrumb navigation links. The predominant font will be the universally available Arial type and black against a rich color contrast of the frame color and other content. For fully accessibility, the website will be 508 compliant, ensuring that all users can have a full environment. Here, you can see a mock-up of the homepage of the InstaBook website design. The top banner uses the company logo, the company name, the social media icons, as well as account admittance, through login and shopping cart access. A full site search field is available on the right column. 6 main navigation links are located on the left column. Users can provide feedback on the search the site via a sitemap located in the footer frame. The simplicity of the layout, along with the ease of navigation, will give the user an enjoyable experience as it moves throughout the site. The website, when launched, will open at the home page, where there will be a brief welcome and description of the company, as well as an embedded video that can be used to overview the company both by the user at large or in a trade show or convention setting. New online content as well as company developments can be highlighted here. From the home page, the user can then navigate to each of the main web pages or to log in page by clicking the login button to the right of the top banner. Upon authentication, the user will either be taken to the sales module or to an administrative module depending on the access granted to the individual. For this login, staff will be able to edit or modify the website through a content management system, or CMS. Due to this simplicity, authorized staff editors will be able to update the website without having knowledge of coding or design principles. Staff login will also allow employees to access staff documents and other key information that needs to be shared. The About tab will allow the user to view the history of the company, its visions and mission, as well as executive staff biographies. The digital content page is the heart of this website. It is here that customers will search, organize, and order digital content to create a customized InstaBook product. A fully integrated database allows the user to search for digital content by the title, author, subject, publisher, or ISBN. This page also explains how the process works. Service and support offers 3 methods of assistance. Customers with their questions and concerns. The customer service tab provides a 1-800 number as well as a form to fill out for an email response based on a topic selected from a Dropbox. On-site training can be accessed either through a scheduling form or clicking on a portal document form, file name, online user manual. This document explains the ordering process, addresses frequently asked questions, as well as detailed information concerning the use and operation of the copier binding machine. On-site service allows the customer to schedule in-house service or maintenance on their lease or purchase copier binding machine. This section also gives answers to frequently asked questions via a drop-down box or of problem topics. The testimonial page gives the prospective client an opportunity to review positive customer feedback through endorsements and recommendations, as well as giving current clients the ability to input through user forums. The Contact Us page is simply where one can find a phone number, directions, and email information through a contact form. InstaBook is currently the world's premier provider of their proprietary approach to training and delivery of education materials. By extending its reach, InstaBook is poised to make history in 2013 with its bold approach taken globally. With its rich history, InstaBook is arguably the most successful global retailer in delivery of education materials. InstaBook has managed to break barriers globally on many fronts, from conscious global sourcing and supply chain to supplier relationship management, and its efforts to make good on its promises of quality, custom educational content delivery systems. The systems proposed by Team Innovation, a platinum level service provider, will greatly improve IB's bottom line in the areas of administration, sales, and product operations with its automation of these functions, eliminating bottlenecks and streamlining operations. InstaBook's alignment with Team Innovation is a logical next step into the future. Team Innovation, with its business best practices, has an ambitious view and strong vision of further greatness InstaBook can achieve in the future. Let Team Innovation's technical roadmap help break the barriers to get there. Team Innovation, we look forward to collaborating with you.